Alright, well, we're gonna disassemble the Z06. Had some engine problems, so we pulled the motor out of it, disassembled it. There's most of the stuff. Yeah, I know it's probably not where you should put all that shit, but oh well, whatever. If it fucks the carpet up, we'll buy new carpet. Engine compartment's oily, greasy, dirty, nasty. We're gonna clean all that up. Pull the radiator out, power wash that out, or maybe might have to get a new one. I don't know, we'll see. Disassemble the whole thing, paint her up really cool. Get rid of them trashed ass headlights that are fogged to shit. No headlight restore kit's gonna do anything on that. We're gonna fix all the loose trim on the car, all this stuff that's coming loose. I think these are loose too. This thing's had a hard life, man. It's got 90,000 miles on it. The kid that had it for me just beat the shit out of it, so. But, yeah, I like stuff like that. Probably gonna get rid of these rep wheels too. Go with something a little bit more custom. Not try to appear too factory with what we're gonna do with the paint on it. So, should be a good runner when it's done. And yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned.